Hi, Zach Castle here, marketing expert for the Huffaker Group of Keller Williams Realty. Back again with another tip from our home maintenance series. Now this month, we're here to discuss the importance of staying on top of routine air filter changeouts in your home. Now experts recommend you change out the air filters in your home every 25 to 35 days. This helps to greatly reduce the amount of dust, pollen, dander, or animal hair that might make it into your air ducts, which then circulates through your home throughout your HVAC system. By keeping cleaner air in your home, your family will not only breathe better, but you help to reduce the risk of those who may suffer from asthma or allergies. Now, outside of the health benefits that come along with routine changeouts is the maintenance and equipment benefits. Dirty air exacerbates our HVAC systems. By giving it cleaner air to work with, it works more efficiently, saving you wear and tear and dollars on your energy bill. If you'd like more information on staying on top of proper HVAC or air filter changeouts in your home, contact our team today at 615-758-886 or online at thehuffakergroup.com.